Welcome to my kitchen. We're making corn pudding. Let's get started.
Tonight I'm having guests over and I am cooking meatloaf. But the other side dish that I'm going to have tonight is corn casserole, or corn pudding basically. So we're going to get started on that. The first thing we're going to need is 5 large eggs. I'm going to crack them right here. We're celebrating a little Christmas get-together. My oven is preheated. Oh yeah, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. So I've got my 5 large eggs. I'm just going to whisk them around. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Okay. I'm going to whisk that. 1 can of whole kernel corn, and it is drained. We don't want it with the water in it. Just going to stir that around. Then we're going to add 2 cans of cream style corn. Just put that right in. Kind of give that a stir. This is so quick and so easy. 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay, we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of seasoning salt. We want to make sure it has a lot of flavor. So 1/2 teaspoon of seasoning salt. 1/2 teaspoon of dry mustard. 1/2 cup of whole milk, or you can use, it doesn't matter what kind of milk you use. Okay, I'm going to whisk a little bit more. And 1 stick of melted butter. And I used unsalted. It will be so good. I think I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. This is 8, so I'm going to just put 4 of these in. I just think it'll give it a great little kick. So I'm just going to stir it around. Make sure everything is mixed together thoroughly. Okay, so we have a 3-quart casserole dish, and I'm just going to spray it. I'm using canola oil, but you can use whatever kind of spray pan, whatever. I just didn't have any. We're going to go ahead and pour this right in. Okay, we're going to put this in a 400-degree oven for 1 hour, and it will be ready. So we have to wait for an hour. I want to show you what I got my friends for a little hostess gift. They're so good to me all year. We had a pretty rough year this year, and they were so kind. They brought me food and gifts. So I wanted to do something a little special for them. So I'm going to show you the cute little hostess gifts that I got them. I'm both the same thing. I already kind of bagged them up, but I can unbag it. I'm going to show you the little gifts that I got them. First thing I got was a Dolly Parton cookbook. I got me one, and they went on sale on Amazon for $14. And I thought, oh my goodness, what a great idea to get my friends. They love Dolly Parton. They're always going to Dollywood. So, and there's this place where we live in Turkey, North Carolina. That's where Michael Jordan's family is from. And so there's a place called Elizabeth Pecans. So went to Elizabeth Pecans and I got everybody some different, they got different tins. They got big, little, but I got that for a little goodie box, in that bag. And then I got this at Elizabeth Pecans also. It is a little one chocolate chip, the chocolate chip cookie recipe, and a one chocolate chip pottery. It is beautiful. I just love it. I'm glad I opened this because now I realize that the price tag is on it. I'll have to mark it out. But isn't that cute with the little chocolate chip, one serving of chocolate chip cookie to make right here in the little dish. And one of the girls is getting it, her favorite thing is chocolate chip cookies. So I thought what an appropriate little gift. So anyway, that is what I got my friends. That's what I got as a little gift for them to cooking them dinner. So nothing like your friends to give a little treat to. This is that bubbly corn pudding. Excuse my eyes, I was cutting up onions and the tears started flowing. But there's our corn pudding. Look at that. It's still sizzling. What a great side dish. I'm gonna show you all my side dishes and what I'm serving tonight. I love corn pudding and it makes a wonderful side dish for any meal. So we'll be back in a few minutes and I'll show you all my dinner. I'll show you my whole dinner that I'm serving tonight. No starch, no bread, no sugar.